How to install Ioncube Loader on your cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now inside your cPanel right here, this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to go ahead and scroll down until you came across the softwares category right here. Inside, you then want to look for the select PHP version. If you cannot go ahead and see this option right here, you can just go ahead and use the search tool option in order to find this specific option. And as you can go ahead and see, you want to go ahead and click on the select PHP version. Now, once inside, just go ahead and wait for the page to load in, and from here you can then go ahead and see the Ioncube Loader. You want to go ahead and click on the box right here, and right after you can just go ahead and scroll down and you can go ahead and see the success message, meaning we have successfully installed the Ioncube Loader onto our cPanel. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.